Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander 2.4h TwinMotor 13.8kWh Dynamic CVT 4WD, finished in gray with a premium black leather interior. At the front, the Outlander features Mitsubishi's bold dynamic shield design, with sleek headlights and a confident stance that gives it real road presence. At the side, it's equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and strong body lines that add to its rugged appeal. Keyless entry and electric folding mirrors provide added convenience for everyday use. At the rear, you'll find a clean finish with a reverse camera, a rear tow bar, and practical styling that supports both family life and outdoor adventures. Powered by a 2.4-liter petrol engine paired with twin electric motors, this plug-in hybrid delivers smooth, quiet driving in EV mode, with the reassurance of petrol power when needed. The CVT automatic transmission and 4WD system ensure confident handling in all conditions. Cruise control adds comfort for motorway driving. Stepping inside, the cabin feels spacious and refined, with black leather seats, heated front seats, and a clean, functional layout that's easy to use and comfortable on long journeys. In the back, the rear seats offer plenty of room and comfort, making it a great choice for families or longer trips. In the boot, there's generous storage space, ideal for luggage, equipment, or shopping, with a flat loading floor for added ease. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161-399-1629. Quote, registration D V20XXA to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.